Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And today, well, I asked on Instagram, what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see the high tea kit or the fairy gathering? I kid you not, and I swear you guys planned this, but the vote was 50-50. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. So because it was a 50-50 vote, I was like, in doubt, use glitter. That was my thought process. So on Saturday, I will upload a video of the high tea kit. But today we are going to be doing the Fairy Gathering Kit by MAKARTT. By the way, you can save 15% off all of your purchases on MAKARTT's website by using the code SwalesNails, and I also have an affiliate link down below. You can give a click and I'll get a commission. So you don't have to, but it helps me out. So but anyway, this kit, so all that comes in the kit here, so you get two different size jewel forms. You get the curved ones and the straight ones. The curved ones are a little shorter than the straight. I don't know why, but they are. So but MAKARTT's what are these called? Jewel forms. They are a really nice fit. I do actually like MAKARTT jewel forms. I think they are good. So no complaints here. And I'm just showing you the difference here. So you can see the one's a bit shorter and one's a bit longer. They're the same sizes as well. But you get a variety. I think it's like 100 to 120 or something like that. So there's a fair amount of jewel forms, and you can also reuse jewel forms. I got jewel forms coming out my ears at this point because they come in all kits. I think companies need to start giving us nail tips. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, this kit comes with 100 to 180 grit file. And it also comes with your spear, javelin tool, which is your polygel brush, for all the newbies. So it's okay. So I do like the packaging. I kind of miss the old packaging, but the newer kits, they're kind of coming out with some of the older packaging and some of the newer packaging, so I'm not complaining. But I do love this crisp white. I do really like it. And I'm a sucker for collecting polygel brushes. I don't know if it's weird. I don't think it is, but I do collect polygel brushes, and I was really happy to have a white one. So these are the new top and base coat like containers, the components. They're really like heavy stone sort of feeling, which is lush. I like that in like products. You know that they're not cheaply made. And then you get your 4 polygels that are 15 grams each, and they all come sealed. You get 4 different glitter polygels. Sorry, I couldn't think then. So I'm just showing you the bottle here. Also, ignore my thumb. I burnt my thumb on the kettle. Don't ask how. I don't even know. I was kind of like spazzing, and I just, yeah. So I can't pronounce that one, but it's this lovely like autumny orange. Then you have Alette, which is like a clear iridescent. They've all got iridescent in, by the way. Then you have Narida? I don't know. And it's a blue. And then you have a Rosalia, which is a nice pink. So I do like these colours. I think they are lush. I think they do give me Saviland glitter polygel vibes, but Saviland glitter polygels, they kind of have like different flexes of iridescent glitter, whereas the MAKARTT glitter polygels actually have like that jelly colour of the actual polygel, not the glitter itself. So it is a bit different, and I'm still happy with them. I think it's a very nice little kit. So now I'm just showing you some nail prep. Excuse my dust. Why do I call it nasty? My dusty, crusty cuticles. As you guys know, I don't do cuticle prep, and because I do so many nails, of course, my cuticles do become thick. But like they're not like you can actually do proper cuticle cleaning up if you use like what are they called? Electric electric files, but drills. I was trying to say e-file. Electric, you know what I'm talking about. The e-file. You can get a really clean cuticle, but as you guys know, I don't really prep my nails that often. I'm just showing you in the video here. So once you've pushed back your cuticles and taken away any of that dust and dead skin, you then buff over with a buffing block and take up the natural shine from your nail. As you can see, my other hand is really like healthy because I hardly do my dominant hand because like I always use my left hand. I always do my nails on my left hand. I don't know why. So I am using a peel off base coat, but as you guys know, if you want your nails to last, do not use the base coat, but you can, the peel off base coat I should say, you can, if you want to change your nails out after a couple of days, only put peel off base coat in the center and eventually the polygel will lift. So yeah, look how poor my thumb is. Oh, it doesn't actually hurt. It looks worse on camera, I swear. But yeah, the steam of the kettle, it was weird. I touched the kettle and it was hot and I jumped down my skin and I somehow managed to put my thumb directly then after burning it into the steam as I like moved my hand. I don't know what I was doing. I'm such a clumsy klutz. It's unreal. So anyway, I just glued on my tips. I don't have any extra long tips, so I kind of just glued two tips together and then I shaped them and glued them on. And then I buffed out the shine off the nail tip themselves. And now I'm just going in with some base coat. I cure for 60 seconds and yeah. So my hands, excuse like some parts of my hands will look a bit dry. It's because of all the hand washing and the hand sanitizer that we've been using because of everything that's going on. I have two children, so I've got to make sure that they stay clean as well. So I'm kind of like I'm already double washing my hands or triple washing my hands and then plus helping them. So I'm kind of like timesing that by 2 again. So my hands are constantly being cleaned. So yeah, they look a bit dry. So once I'd cured that base coat, I then decided to go in with the Phoenix Glitter autumn foils that I received in that PR kit not too long ago. And because I love this, I think they're absolutely stunning. I will link them down below in the description box, by the way. And now I'm just going to go in with MAKARTT's foil gel glue, whatever you want to call it. I paint an even layer of this over all of the nails and then I cure for a full 60 seconds in my nail lamp. Sorry, I lied. I don't put this on all the nails. I alternate between nails. So basically I put it on my thumb, my middle finger and my pinky finger, and then the other two I don't put any on. I didn't want to overpower the nails with loads and loads of foils. But yeah, once you've cured it for 60 seconds, and I mean 60 seconds, you've got to cure this for 60 seconds, otherwise it won't work properly. And yeah, so just cure for 60 seconds. And then what you want to do is just push the foil into the the sticky foil glue. It comes really sticky, and you just press the foils on and they easily peel off. Slowly peel it off and then you'll see what is lifting off and what you need to re-rub again, as you can see what I'm doing. It's really easy. I just done it with my finger. You can do it with a silicone tool, lint-free pad, whatever you like. It's completely up to you. So I've done this on the 3 fingers and I think this is such a lush foil. I'm so excited for like autumn nails. Like don't get me wrong, I love doing the Halloween nails, but I'm so excited for autumn. Do you know what I mean? Autumn, by the way, is fall for British people. I will say fall as well. It's weird. I don't say fall when I'm talking to people like where I'm from, but when I'm on YouTube and stuff I do tend to say it and stuff like that. So yeah, really weird. But anyway, this is what I'm doing, and then once I'd done this, I then stuck some base coat onto all of the nails. I painted an even layer of base coat onto all the nails, and before curing, my daughter's iPad just done a weird noise and she's laughing. So before curing, like I said again, I pressed these like chunky sequin glitters into all of the nails. I used that copper sort of brownish goldy orange. It's copper to me. Bronzy copper, I guess. I pressed those butterflies into all the nails and that champagne sort of gold maple leaves into the wet base coat, and then I cure for a full 60 seconds. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this bit and I'll be back when we start to apply the polygel. I'm back, guys. Hi! So now I'm just going in with the orangey sort of autumn jelly glitter, and I'm going to put a toothpaste bead method, whatever you want to call it, over the edge, the free edge of the nail, and I'm just going to press and pull it into place, making sure to ombre the nail bed area down into the nail, and move on to the next nail. So this polygel is not sticky at all. It's really nice to work with. I didn't even gunk up my brush once. I didn't have to wipe it off once, which is fab. And considering there's loads of glitter as well, you'd think that like glitter would get in it, but no, nothing. I was really happy with the texture. It's not too firm, but it's not soft. It's closer to firm than soft. I like this polygel. I like the consistency, the texture. I like that it's not sticky, and it cures fully as well. So I done the orange colour on my index finger and my ring finger, and then the nails with the foils on, I done that clear on the tip. So yeah, I just work it all in, as you can see, and I just alternate move on to each finger. I cure for 30 seconds in between each finger, and then I do a full 60-second cure at the end before going in with the cuticle bead. But I'm going to jump back in when we start doing the cuticle bead, so I'll be back in a second. So once I'd finished with the 2-ball free edge method, I don't know what I said then. Basically, once I'd finished with the free edge, I then went in with cuticle bead, hence doing the 2-ball method, and I just ombre it down over to the free edge then. So you just want to push it into place on the cuticle first and then worry about the rest of it later. As long as the cuticle is tidy, that's all that matters. And pull it down and it ombres really nice. You can't even tell. I use that orange colour on all of the nail beds, and you can't even tell. They go so well together. They ombre blissfully together, I guess is the best way to describe it. As you can see, like, it's, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys watch this bit, and then I'll be back after filing when we start doing the last bits. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget, after curing for full 60 seconds on these, you then wipe away the sticky tacky layer, and so on and so forth. With filing though, I will say this quickly now, instead of me coming back in a second, because I'm lazy, basically. But with filing, I hold the nail bed area with my other fingers as I'm filing, so it doesn't move, and like, it's not that it hurts, but it's an uncomfortable feeling when your nail is being pulled back and forth. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch, and I'll be back in a bit, so I hope you enjoy. guys, and I'm back. So, I don't know what I said then. So basically, once I had finished filing, I wiped away all the dust and dead skin with some rubbing alcohol yet again. Rubbing alcohol is your best friend, so yeah. The only downfall, I don't know if I mentioned this, I've recorded this voiceover twice, so I don't know if I mentioned this, but this kit doesn't come with rubbing alcohol, slip solution, so you will need to buy your own, but it's just like, is it isopropyl alcohol, or whatever it's said. 70 plus is what you need, but this kit is great. I absolutely love it. I think it's fantastic. I really enjoyed doing these nails as well. I hope you guys enjoyed as well. It was a nice, it's like, yeah, I think I've done really well on these nails. So anyway, I am now going to go in with the MAKARTT rhinestone glue. Highly recommend this. It's the best rhinestone glue you'll ever buy in your life. It cures non-stick as well, so you don't have that tacky layer on top. So you can actually go on top of the top coat with this as well and not have to worry about it like being sticky and everything sticking to it. So I got these not flowers, well they are flowers and butterflies off of Amazon. I will leave a link down below in the description box, and I just press these into the wet rhinestone glue, and then I press some AB flat back crystals that I got from the Gershon kit into the spaces just to bling it up a little bit more. This nail turned out to be like nearly 2/3 full of bling, but I'm here for it, and I think these little butterfly rhinestones went really well, so yeah. And then that other butterfly that I haven't put on yet, that goes onto my index finger, and it just goes on its own. It's a lone butterfly, the queen butterfly, as it may, maybe, I don't know. I don't know why I'm talking like this. So my daughter laughed. So anyway, once this was done, then I went over with some top coat. I cured for 60 seconds. This rhinestone glue, it does cure pretty fast, but I'd still cure it for 60 seconds, just to be on the safe side. And then I went in with some cuticle oil because my poor cuticles really do need some hydration, rehydration. They're dehydrated, you wouldn't believe it. I really do need to start using some hand lotion as well, so I think that's what I'm going to start doing, and then maybe my nails won't look so like dry and like they're about to die of thirst. So anyway, once I'd done this, of course you cure for 60 seconds after the top coat. I then done the reveals. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. So I did want to say a big thank you for all of your support on the last video, the true crime story. I really enjoyed doing that, but I was so nervous as well. But thank you so much for the great support. You guys are amazing. I said in all my videos, but you guys are, so gotta give credit where credit is due, right? But if you want to see more like that, I won't do them all the time because I know a lot of people don't want to watch them, and I know it's a sensitive subject. But if you guys do want to see more of those videos, please leave me a comment down below, because I would love to actually do it now and then, and maybe do some collabs with some of my girls, who knows. But anyway, this is the end result. I'm so in love. I love how like everything like sort of shifts and shines through. These are so pretty. Oh, so lush. But anyway, this kit is absolutely fab. I'd highly recommend it. I will do the high tea kit now on Saturday, but I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to keep on smiling, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!